Hi everyone, sorry for this trash setup because I don't have a tripod with me. I just got my Switch skins in the mail and I knew instantly these were them because I knew it was coming from Spain and they have Weeb stickers on them. So I'm gonna do an unpackaging of them. So I unzipped the envelope because I didn't want you to see his address, and the Weeb washi tape was left unscathed. So I got the Animal Crossing. Oh, and it has a personalized note. It says "Thank you, Ava" with this cute sticker on it. So I got the skins from the Etsy shop, Epic Pal Designs or Epic PAL Designs. It's based in Spain, and a lot of people on Etsy are doing these skins, but I got the one from Spain because the shipping was cheaper because it's in Europe, because most of the skin shops on Etsy, it costs like €13 to ship to where I'm from. So if you're in Europe or anywhere similar, try find a Europe seller because they always be cheaper. Yeah, I'm doing this on my kitchen table, so sorry if the lighting's whack. So I'm just gonna take these out. I've never applied skins on stuff before. I'm kind of nervous, but yeah, so now I can have the effect of the Animal Crossing Joy-Cons without buying a whole new set of Joy-Cons, because that's kind of why I did get the Switch with the black Joy-Cons, because like decals and stickers and skins on them. And my Switch here, I'm gonna take the Joy-Con off. And they said on the video tutorial to like wipe it. I'm gonna sit like over here, so hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. And sorry if my hands look crusty, but my face looks crustier, so that's why I don't want my face in the front. Is it like okay if is it okay if I just do this to wipe it? I guess, I don't know, it only goes on the front. Okay, I'm gonna try apply the green one first. Wow, I'm really nervous. This is so difficult. I'm not even afraid, oh my gosh. And this is so inexpensive. It was only like, they were only like €7 I think in total with shipping. They're like €4 by itself, and then the shipping was €3, which is really good. Wow, this is so difficult. Okay, I think I got it. I think it's fine down at the bottom. So I'll just peel. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. I might even just end up cutting this whole thing out and showing the end. But these are good. They seem like they're easily maneuverable, and you can smooth out the creases as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this part off camera and I'll just show you what it looks like after. Okay, so I just finished the green one. I finally freaking did it. It was so hard to get it all lined up, but I think it's fine. I think the trick was to like line it straight along this, because it's hard to judge where it's going when you're just using the buttons. I think that looks pretty cool. The green is like is this neon green? I'm not sure. Like not the neon green, but like it seems pretty bright. It actually looks different on camera than in real life. This looks more like washed out, but it's more green in real life. This looks like turquoise or something, but it's more green in real life. So I'm gonna do the blue one next. Okay, I'm just like sticking this one on. I literally laid it on and got it right the first time. So I'm just smoothing it down now. Yeah, I guess it's like easier with practice. Okay, that was like really easy to put on. So these are what they look like together. I don't know, I'll try to get better lighting. Stick them on the Switch body, I guess. Is that what they call them? Okay, I'll just move back over here. I don't want to get myself in the reflection of the Switch. Okay, there's my light up there in the reflection. Okay, that's my head. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks really good, to be honest. I'm so happy with this. I would definitely recommend these. Like, it was so inexpensive. Even like the stickers themselves, I guess, because it's not like a full skin around the edge. I mean, obviously it's not like the exact same as the Joy-Cons, but it gives the effect of them, which I think is so cool, and that's what I was looking for really. So yeah, I'm so happy with these, and I would definitely recommend. To be honest, it took a long time to dispatch, but the shipping was really fast. So that's what I have to say. Okay, so I'm standing up now. I think this lighting is a lot more accurate. So these are the colors, and that's what they look like close up. Sorry, I never did a close up, but here's a close up now. Here's the blue right one, and I think they're so cute. I don't know what texture it is, like I just don't know about all that kind of stuff.